Beyond Protection Crystal Ball. A brand new discovery has been made, and it is called Beyond Protection. This potent crystal gives you the superpowers of black tourmaline, labradorite, and magnetite. The stunning trio is everything you want in a protection stone. Tourmaline repels outside negativity. Labradorite replaces your destructive thoughts with healthy ones, and magnetite attracts positive energies. Be first in the world to gain from this breathtaking Beyond Protection crystal ball. Find these and a whole collection of tourmaline at Satin Crystals. While you're there, join the VIP club for members-only specials throughout the year. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading your light into our world.